Welcome back. So in today's session, we'll learn about class composition in Python. So let's get started. So in order to understand class composition in Python, so let's get started by creating a class. Let's say we have a class salary, and let's have a constructor here. Let's have init. It will take self and it will take pay bonus. And here what we'll say self dot pay is equal to pay, and self dot bonus equal to bonus. Okay, and also let's have an instance method which will calculate the annual salary. So it will have self, and let's say return, you can say self dot pay into 12 for annual, you need to find for a year, for 12 months, you can say self dot bonus. Okay, so here we have a class called salary. It has an initializer, a constructor that takes two parameters, payment and bonus, and we are assigning the pay and bonus in the class attributes. And then we have instance method, which basically calculates the annual salary. Okay, so now let's create a new class, another class called employee, and here we'll have a constructor again. It will have self, it will take name, it will take age, it will take pay, and it will take bonus. Correct. So here let's say self dot name equal to name, self dot age equal to age, self dot. So here, since we want to have salary of this employee, right? So we can say obj salary is equal to. So here what we can say is we can instantiate this class. We can use this class here. We could have inherit it, right? Salary, but the employee class and the salary class doesn't have any, what we call, like, employee class is not a salary class and salary class is not a employee class, right? Salary is not employee and employee is not salary. So because of that, we can't inherit it. So here let's say salary, and to instantiate this salary, we need pay and bonus, right? Which we are already getting in this employee constructor. So let's say pay and let's say bonus. Okay, so here let's have a method that will calculate the total salary of this employee. Let's say total salary. So here what we can say return. So since we have this salary object here, so we can simply say self dot obj salary dot annual salary. So this way we're able to access this annual salary, which is the instance method of this salary. So to understand this, let's create object. Let's say emp equal to employee. This will be basically Madhav, and he is 33 years old and he earns 15,000 a month and he gets bonus of 10,000 a year. Okay, so here what I can say print emp dot total salary. So here what we have done is, like, we have created two classes. One is a salary class which takes pay and a bonus to be initialized, and we have another class called employee. It takes name, age, pay and bonus. So let's run this code and let's see what we get here. So here we get the total salary of this particular employee Madhav. Okay, so what exactly did we do here? Here what we have done is, in order to have the salary, calculate the salary, we instantiate this salary and then we assign it to this object salary. And when we have to calculate total salary, we are accessing the instance method of this object, basically the salary object. So that way we're able to calculate the annual salary. So here we delegated the logic to calculate salary to this salary class, right? Whenever we want to delegate some responsibilities of one class to the another class, so that is called a composition. So this is what we call composition. So here we are delegating some responsibilities. Okay, calculating salary is not his responsibility, right? So we have delegated the responsibility of calculating the salary to this salary class. This is called composition. So I hope I'm able to help you out with understanding the concept of composition. So let me repeat once again. Whenever we have to delegate some responsibility of certain class to another class, therefore that is called composition. Hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.